Hi guys, namaste. Welcome to Naya Inventions. Before getting into the video, do the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you so much. Hope you all are doing fine. Today I have with me three products from the brand Moha, or Moh you can call this. And one is a face scrub, another one is a nail cream, and the third one is a foot cream. Before getting into the product details, I would like to talk a little about this brand Moha. Moha is a brand from Charak Pharmaceuticals, and Charak Pharmaceuticals is in the Ayurvedic industry for the past 74 years. And this is a very trusted brand, and the products of this brand are 100% Ayurvedic, toxins free, they are cruelty free, and also they use 100% original products. So these are the three products which I have with me currently. So let's talk about these products one by one. So first I'll be talking about this face scrub, and this 100 grams of product retails for 155 rupees. This says this reveals healthy skin, makes your complexion glow. So this has walnut, orange peel, nutmeg, olive and rose. I don't know what is nutmeg called in Hindi. I really don't know. I mean, I know what is nutmeg, but I don't know what it is called in Hindi. Dalchini, I'm not sure. Okay, as this has walnut gently exfoliates your skin and also helps in cleaning out your pores. Orange peel helps in brightening your skin complexion naturally. As this has olive oil helps in moisturizing your skin. As winters are already here, moisturization is required. And this has nutmeg, and nutmeg helps in removing skin eruptions. Like if you have small boils or acne on your skin, nutmeg helps in removing that. And this has rose. Rose also helps in giving your skin that extra moisture. So let's see a quick demo of this. So this is the scrub, and this has the granules of walnut and nutmeg, and I must say this has a beautiful fragrance. The fragrance is very nice and refreshing. Yeah. So you have to take a little quantity on your palms, and you have to massage it gently on your face in a circular motion for 2 to 3 minutes. There are many benefits of scrubbing your face. First of all, this exfoliates your skin, and this helps in getting rid of clogged pores, and also this clears out any acne marks if you have on your face. And also, yes, not to forget, this removes blackheads and whiteheads very efficiently. But always remember to scrub your face once or twice a week. Never overdo it, because excessive scrubbing can damage the first layer of your skin, and also this will disbalance the natural oils of your skin. So do not scrub daily. Once or twice a week is more than enough. So you can see after washing my face, it's looking so nice and fresh, no redness at all, as you can see. So let's talk about the second product, and this is the nail cream. This 100 grams of product retails for 200 rupees. And this claims to give you strong, healthy and glossy nails, and this has almond oil and flaxseed oil. Almond oil is rich in vitamin E, and this will help in moisturizing your nails and strengthening your nails. Flaxseed oil protects your nails, and also this prevents from breaking or that constant chipping. So let's see a demo of this nail cream. So this is the nail cream, and you can see the texture of this cream. You have to apply this on your nails, focusing mainly on the base, and now just massage it gently. This has a very nice fragrance. I cannot relate this fragrance with anything, but the fragrance is really very nice and very soothing. So you have to do this with your every finger, obviously. Yeah. So I have done it. I don't have the most flattering hands and feet, to be very honest. Like, they are not very beautiful or something, because I don't grow very long nails. I kind of get irritated if I have very long nails. So bear with it. So let's talk about the third and final product, and this is the foot cream. So this 100 grams of product retails for 250 rupees. This claims to give you smooth feet and freedom from cracks. That is what we want. Yeah. And this has papaya, aloe vera and peppermint. This has an amazing pepperminty kind of a fragrance, very nice and fresh. As this has papaya helps in gently exfoliating your skin, and also this helps in removing dead skin cells. Also helps in smoothing the skin and gently removes the appearance of cracks. Peppermint oil soothes your skin. And aloe vera, as we all know, moisturizes your skin.
So this is the foot cream and I'll be applying this on my feet. I have dry skin, so during winters my feet really get very dry. So I'll be applying this on my heels and toes. The corner of my toes also get very cracked. Yeah. So this also has a very good fragrance. Like, fragrance is so nice. So I'll be applying this on my both my feet. Yeah, and this is very non-greasy kind of a cream. Like, this doesn't feel very heavy or thick. So this is very comfortable. Yep.
So you saw the demo of foot cream. The cream is not at all greasy. You can easily apply this. I would highly suggest you to use these three products in your nighttime routine. And I have always said that do skincare at night, because night is the time when our skin can get the proper rest of 7 to 8 hours. So I would advise you to do these things at night, because night is the best time to do these things. Okay, so yes, I'll put the link in the description box in case you want to purchase this. This is a very good buy. Price is very nominal. This is a very trusted brand, and I have been personally using this, and I can see a noticeable change in the tone and texture of my legs and my fingers and my face, of course. And the herbal scrub is very good. I would advise you to try that at least once, because that is so gentle and yet so effective. So that was it. I'll put the link, I'm again saying I'll put the link in the description box. Do have a look, and yeah, so that was it. I'll see you guys next time with some another product. Until then, you guys please take care, and I love you all.